I have a new puppy. His name is Max. Max is small and has brown fur. He likes to play with his red ball. We play in the park. I love Max. The puppy's name is Dash. He likes to play with his Dash ball. We play in the Dash.
A little boy has a red wagon. It is a pretty one. He rides it to the farm. The boy will allow his friends to ride in it. A little boy has a dash wagon. He rides it to the dash. The boy will allow his dash to ride in it.